Friends, there is 4 important benefits of doing regular exercise. First is, it will increase your insulin sensitivity so that if you are suffering from diabetes, your blood sugar will be controlled by only doing exercise in proper way or proper training. Second is, it will help you in reducing the weight. And you know, the obesity is the cause of the many diseases like diabetes, hypertension and heart disease. So you will reduce your weight and definitely this disease can be prevented. And the third is, it will make your heart healthy. So the heart is the major cause of total nowadays the morbidity, and most of the people are dying due to the heart attack, and it can be prevented by doing exercise. Next is fall prevention. After age 60 and 65, there is an increased chance of the falling and patient develop hemiplegia or paralysis. But if you are doing regular exercise, then this fall prevention can occur. And last is it will increase your quality of the sleep and reduces your stress, because stress is the major cause of so many diseases, metabolic disturbance, metabolic disorders. And if you are doing regular exercise, it will reduce your stress, it will increase quality of your sleep, and definitely you can maintain a peaceful, healthy life. Thank you.